Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the blooming onion. First, select a large, firm onion, ideally a colossal one, for the best results. Carefully trim off the top and gently peel away the dry outer layers. Next, cut a small 1/2 inch cone from the center of the onion's core. This step is crucial for creating the perfect bloom. Now, let's move on to the cutting technique. Now, place the onion cut side down on a sturdy surface. Using a sharp knife, make 12 to 16 even cuts from the top, stopping about 1/2 inch from the root. It's important not to cut all the way through. These precise cuts will allow the onion to open beautifully. Take your time to ensure each cut is uniform, which helps the onion cook evenly. After cutting, submerge your onion in a bowl of ice water for about 30 minutes. This helps the petals open up. Next, dredge the entire onion thoroughly in a seasoned flour mixture, ensuring every crevice is coated. Then, dip it into an egg wash, followed by another coating of flour. Finally, fry the onion in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once fried, carefully remove the blooming onion and drain any excess oil. Immediately season it with a pinch of salt while it's still hot. Transfer your perfectly bloomed onion to a serving platter. The final touch is a fantastic dipping sauce. This crispy, flavorful treat is now ready to be enjoyed. It's a truly impressive appetizer that's surprisingly simple to make.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.